This is one of those cookbooks that is more for reference than actually cooking out of. The author, Edna Lewis, is a James Beard Award winner as well as a winner of several Lifetime Achievement Awards in the area of history and food. So this is more, there are very few pictures. I doubt there are any in here. But these are recipes from what I consider the Old South, traditional American, almost reminiscent of plantation style food from the areas of like North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia. These are, real historical type of recipes with some tips and tricks, including how to make your own bicarbonate soda, or rather your own baking soda. So it's interesting enough. I haven't made anything out of it because it's more of a reference historical book.